Yeah, I'm Marzia from Italy. I'm a PhD student of University of Tuscia. The university, my department is agriculture department, and I'm mainly occupied in studying the effect of some stresses on plants and their behavior in some difficult environments. Yes, sometimes I have the opportunity of teaching to bachelor and master students. I use the platform to give them important information about biostimulants in pills. So they watch the videos. So it's a simpler way to understand their advantages on plants. We saw all the videos of one course, and the students took the pre-evaluation, the self-evaluation before the course, and then the self-evaluation after seeing the videos. I use the contents for mainly for teaching to the students and my personal culture. Yes, I think that the platform is very useful. The content are simple and very direct. They give the direct information about biostimulants. So for now, I have not any suggestion for improvement of the contents.